What is up, everybody? Today we are unboxing the Lenovo Smart Clock, the world's first smart clock with the Google Assistant. Lenovo debuted this back at CES in January, and pre-orders have gone up this week, and we've got our hands on one, so let's take a look at what's inside. Hey guys, before we get in the box, this video is brought to you by NordVPN. It's the VPN of choice for millions of users. Keeps your browsing safe, secure, and private across any device. If you'd like to learn more, go to chromeunbox.com/NordVPN. Alright, so here we are, guys. Looks like a very googly product we've got going on here. This was announced back in January. We saw it in a demo, but we really didn't get to play with it very much. Pre-orders are up right now. They say shipping in 5 to 7 days, so I would say in the next week and a half or so. But let's take a look at this thing. This very much could be a made by Google product. Got the nice cloth texture on the outside, and it's really dense for its size, so I'm guessing it must have a pretty decent speaker in it. Other than that, we've got a 4-inch IPS display, USB out for charging, power, and a mute button, volume up and down on the top. Not a whole lot to it, but it's really sharp looking, and that would look really nice on your nightstand, maybe in an accent in a living room or something. Let's see, anything else cool in here? Power cable. Instructions, we don't need those. Okay. All right, well, let's power this thing on and see what it looks like. Alright, so here it is, guys. We got this plugged up and powered on. It does come with a proprietary charger. It's not USB-C or micro like the Google Home products, but again, the mute switch on the back and the USB just for charging. I don't think there's any type of data pass through here. I think it's just for charging your phone. We've got it on your bedside, on your nightstand. But again, the quality, the build of this, it's got some nice rubber feet on the bottom and just that nice cloth textured like you'd find on some Google Home devices and other things. Love this. Straight out of the box, got a nice little chrome unboxed clock face on there with the different colors. It does have different clock faces you can choose from, it appears. But just like any other Google Home device, you plug it in, power it up, and then open your Google Home app on your phone and set it up. But it's going to work pretty similar to any other smart display, it looks like. You can swipe through and see your schedule and weather, and then you've got a few controls here at the top. Nap timer, that's nice. So yeah, this isn't really like any other display on the market. You have your JBLs and your Lenovos. They're full featured. You can stream video. They have really big speakers, and we haven't tested these out yet, but this seems just different than everything else that's out there. It's probably closest to the Home Hub from Google, the Nest Hub. Just as far as the features, there's no camera. You can control everything in your house with it. It does work with Nest, so you can check your cameras and everything you have around the house, but the use case is probably a little different. This is the perfect companion for the side of the bed. I would think. We have a Home Hub on our nightstand, but I kind of feel like we don't get as much out of it as we should, because we use it as an alarm clock and a home controller, but we don't use it for the media features that it offers. This feels like it would be a better fit as an actual alarm clock, which is probably why it's the first smart display with the Assistant that's actually labeled a clock. This would be great on maybe a desk in your office. Somebody who wants to have the features of a smart device where they can control things, but it's not sticking out like a sore thumb, and it has an ambient display mode, so it's not going to bother you while you're asleep. So yeah, I'm anxious to try this out and see how it works around the house, and see if maybe I actually get more use out of it in that scenario than I do my Google Home Hub. But check back here in a few days. We'll have a full review out and our impressions, and maybe this is the smart display you've been looking for. We'll see. So that's it for this one, guys. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up down below, and hit that subscribe button, and make sure you turn on notifications so you can keep up with the latest from Chrome Unboxed. Until next time, we'll see you.